In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see speed limit in Waze. We'll be using Waze to check the speed limit information for a road, and this is helpful if you want to better understand the route details shown in the map editor. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can find that setting quickly and without confusion. First, go to Waze. Once the page loads, look toward the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the controls and tools needed to move into editing mode. If the page looks a little busy at first, don't worry, just focus on the panel and icons on the right, because that's where the next action happens. From there, click on the pencil icon. This opens the editing tools, which allow you to inspect map elements more closely. The pencil icon is the key step here, because without entering this view, you won't be able to access the road details that include speed limit information. Next, go to the search bar and type in the address of the destination you want to check. This helps Waze take you directly to the area you're interested in, instead of having to manually zoom and pan around the map. Try to enter the address as clearly as possible so the correct location appears right away. Once the map takes you to that area, click on the junction. This selects the map feature near your destination and brings up more details for that location. Be sure you're clicking the correct road connection or intersection, since the information shown will depend on what part of the map is selected. After that, shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Waze displays the details and settings for the selected item. The panel on the left will update based on what you clicked, so if you don't see the expected information, it may help to reselect the junction carefully. Now scroll down in that left side panel until you find the section labeled speed limit. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit to reach it. Take your time here because this field can be easy to overlook if you move too quickly through the menu. From here, you can see the speed limit associated with that road segment or area. That's the information you were looking for. If you're reviewing multiple roads, you can repeat the same process by selecting another junction and checking the left side panel again. And that's how to see speed limit in Waze.